Today, I'm sharing some crucial insights on losing belly fat effectively, what actually works and what's holding you back. First, let's clear up a myth. Calories in versus calories out isn't the full story. Cutting calories too much slows your metabolism, making fat loss harder. Instead, the key is hormones, specifically insulin. When insulin is high, your body burns sugar, not fat. To switch to fat-burning mode, follow these two simple rules. 1. Lower carbs. Carbs spike insulin and block fat burning. 2. Eat less frequently. Intermittent fasting helps your body tap into stored fat. But here's the catch. Even a tiny cheat, like half a glass of wine, can pause fat burning for 2 days. Consistency is everything. Once your body adapts, fat burning becomes effortless, and cravings disappear. What about exercise? Forget hours of intense cardio. Walking is more effective than high-intensity workouts for belly fat loss. Why? After 30 minutes, your body shifts to burning pure fat. Aim for 8,000 to 10,000 steps daily, and for even better results, walk after meals to lower insulin and improve digestion. Bonus tip: apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon in water, 2 to 3 times daily, improves insulin resistance and helps burn fat, especially around the liver. If you want to burn belly fat, focus on lowering insulin, walking consistently, and staying 100% committed. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment, and let me know your biggest takeaway.